In today's video, we will learn types of pipe flanges. Components like pipe flanges play a crucial role in ensuring efficiency and safety in various industries. Do you know pipe flanges play a major role in connecting pipes? Unravel the mystery behind pipe flange, its uses, and advantages in this video. Weld neck flanges. The use of a weld neck flange is mainly done to ensure high integrity in joints. This flange is commonly used in process piping. It is enough to tolerate high pressure and temperature. You might feel it is bulky as well as expensive with respect to other flanges. You should install it in a more spacious area due to the long hub of the weld neck flange. Weld neck flanges are available in RF, FF, RTJ, etc. Need for expertise to use for fabrications. Slip-on flanges. A slip-on flange, as the name suggests, slips onto the pipe. Slip-on flanges have a bore slightly larger than the outer diameter of the pipe they connect to, allowing the pipe to slip into the flange. It slides over the pipe following welding to secure the pipes in place. It is perfectly applicable for low pressure and temperature applications. It is preferable to apply in low stress regions. These pipes possess a slightly higher diameter and larger size, which allows slip-on flanges to slide. It is available in FF, RF, etc. You can install them at a moderate cost. Socket weld flanges. These are proven to be perfect for high-pressure pipes of a smaller size. Insert a pipe in the female socket present in the socket weld flange, following a fillet weld is used on top to complete the joint connections. Now you can find a very smooth flow of liquid or gas in the pipe after installation of this robust connection. These are appropriate to apply in low-pressure and low-temperature areas. Use it for flat-face FF or raised-face RF. The cost of the flange and fabrication is much reasonable. Threaded flanges. Do you wonder why this type of flange is named a threaded flange? Well, it is because there is a presence of thread on the inner side of the pipe flange. These flanges are made to fit in a pipe using a matching male thread. Some people also recognize it as a screwed flange. Strictly, you have to install it in low-pressure areas. But these flanges are not suitable for high-temperature and high-pressure areas. Use it for utility services like water and air. You can find in a fixed size of NPS 4-inch and below it. Proven cost-effective. Apply only in low-pressure areas. Find it for FF or RF configuration. Lap joint flanges. Among all pipe flange types, it is considered as most unique because of the stub end and backing flange. This feature enables the easy alignment and dismantling of joints made with a lap joint flange. It is preferably used in systems that need frequent maintenance. You can apply it to larger or hard-to-adjust types of areas. The component of the lap joint flange is made with carbon steel and hence proven to be cost-effective. There is the presence of butt weld. Therefore, it provides better joining of pipes as compared with socket or threaded types in flanges. It is not suitable for a costly compartment with fabrications and a small size as compared to other flanges. Lap joint flange comes with a unique feature that allows connection flexibility. It means you can rotate the pipe freely at a connected part with a flange. Blind flanges. Do you find the absence of a pipe? If yes, use blind flanges to cap off the pipeline. It is useful when there is a need for future expansion of the pipe. Also, you can use blind flanges when you need to stop the system temporarily. You can find these in FF, RF, or RTJ types. When you prefer to purchase a blind flange, it is important to keep the following considerations in mind. This educational video ends here. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to our channel. We would like to thank everyone who commented on or liked our work to show their appreciation. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Take care.